My name's Chris Farlow. I live in a little town, Bishopville, Maryland. Happy to know we got solar energy now to help provide some power. My wife is a pretty environmentally active. She just loves to do things that are good for the environment. And she convinced me that it would be a good investment, a good idea. Everything sounded good. I had no clue what I was getting into in the beginning. Just that she wanted solar. She convinced me it was a good idea. And I happened to run into somebody who saw that he was getting solar, and I asked him a few questions, and he recommended Paradise Energy. The whole process has been very smooth. All the permitting was handled through Paradise Energy. Every single person has been very professional. I was impressed. I mean, if you want to look around, you can, but my experience, just the fact that it was done so professionally and smoothly, I can't say enough good. And I will recommend to anybody that it was a good working situation.